Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week, and welcome this Friday to your middle of the day market update. We'll do a full update on the markets right now. I mean, the U.S. markets just opened, which is always, I mean, it's the best time to make an update like this, right? Because we are about to get some volatility, and as most of you know, last week with the US opening, we got a lot of bullish momentum, so we need to talk about that, whether that's possible, etc. So there's enough to talk about, but it's also like the US session opening is very volatile. So it looks like at this point of time, we are having somewhat of a bullish opening. We had a bit of a spike up to this resistance around 68,000, but this could still turn around. And I think in general, like in this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin, we'll talk about some news, and we'll talk about altcoins that I think are interesting. But in general, I think we are very much at a stage where we're waiting for some sort of either parabolic move up, all right, so that we break above 68,000 and that we rally into the 71,000s today or this weekend. Also with the Bitcoin conference tomorrow, that is a real possibility. But for now, I would say technically it looks a little bit more like we are getting into some sort of a consolidation. And that's not great. And then if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, which is super high at this point of time, that's also a confirmation of some sort of a choppy market or consolidating market. As you can see, a bullish Bitcoin or a bullish Bitcoin dominance is never a good thing. So therefore, I'm a little bit hesitant. I think we can turn bullish. I think the fundamentals are still in our favor. But then we have the Bitcoin conference tomorrow. That could be a sell the news effect. So therefore, I'm also waiting for the breakout instead of bidding/buying right now. Next week, or at least today, we had some negative economic data from the US with inflation rate numbers, or at least similar to inflation rate statistics being higher than expected, which is obviously bearish, and I'm not sure what's going on right now. So in general, a lot of news going on. A lot of uncertainties about how the market will react to news and fundamentals, and therefore I'd wait for some confirmation. All right, and I would even say if we actually break below 66,000 again right here, or 65,700, I would even say some sort of a short into the 63s is actually not a bad idea. But wait for that confirmation. I mean, what you can see, the US session just opened. Fridays are usually very volatile. We have a lot of fundamentals, so I think it's a little bit crazy to do short-term trading right here. Long-term buying Bitcoin here should be fine, I think, because like I said, I think the fundamentals are very bullish, but due to the proximity of those fundamentals to today, I'm not sure if it's wise to trade while we are in the middle of 68,000 and 65,700. So wait for the breakout. All right, that's what I would say. Last week, what you can also see is that we started, like when we actually turned quite bullish. Right here, you also saw that the open interest, the momentum started rallying. That's also going on right now. So that's, excuse me. I'm not sure what I'm doing right now. Wait, can I please take this and there? So you can see the momentum is also rallying right now. So that's a good sign. I am slightly leaning towards being bullish here, but still I would need to see a breakout above 68,000 for that to be confirmed. So keep your eyes on that. And then apart from that, when we talk about altcoins, there are certain altcoins that I think are interesting. First of all, Solana is still performing very well against Bitcoin. So keep your eyes on that. All right, I think Solana and its ecosystem, so Jupiter, Jito, are very interesting to keep an eye on. But there again, kind of like we're kind of bouncing against a resistance right now, so be careful. Injective is relatively strong. Already got the bounce. Not sure if buying right now is a good idea. Are there any coins I would potentially buy right now? I think Rune is a potential buy right here, especially if we break above that level between $4.9 and $5. But in general, I expect Rune to perform well in the next month. Coty, I think, is quite interesting, but for this, I would wait for a pullback. I mean, I hate to say it, but that is the truth. And then apart from that, I think Kaspa is gaining quite a lot of momentum here. I'm in a scalp on Kaspa, so don't follow me if you want to follow my trades, because I won't be able to update you. But I think Kaspa has a good chance to, or I think Kaspa is going up to that top of the range here at 18.3 cents and has a chance to break out. And then apart from that, everything is really moving in line with Bitcoin. So again, we get back to the big old coin, Bitcoin. Wait for the confirmation. check what the momentum does to potentially predict that, and you'll be set, all right, to at least not lose money and potentially make some money if we get that parabolic run here. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.